flour, salt, sugar,
Two sticks of butter at room temperature, 2 eggs, vanilla extract, and jam. You could choose any flavor you want.
thumbprint cookies.
Beat butter and sugar together in a large mixing bowl and combine until creamy. This will take about 1 minute. Is just to drop the whole thing in it, right? Egg yolks, vanilla, and salt. What are you doing? Now he's pirating the bowl. Şapkası. That was a real like avalanche. Yeah.
Quite bad. I am Lily. Here's the spot to grab from the sides.
As mixture is mixing, add the butter slowly into the mixing bowl. If the batter is not mixed that well, you can mix it with your hands. Do not overmix your dough. Well, when your dough is ready, make balls the same size. If you don't make them the same size, so the ones that are smaller will overbake, and the ones that are biggest will usually be unbaked. But when your balls are shaped, you can make shapes inside the balls.
You can make hearts, you can make circles, any kind that you can make. Put your cookies into the refrigerator until they're cold.
1 hour. Once the cookies are cold, you can put jam inside them. Thumbprints have to be full but not overflowing.
Okay, I'm kind of curious.
Preheat the oven to 375 Fahrenheit and bake until golden brown for about 12 to 14 minutes. Stop. They turn out perfect and great. But once your cookies are out of the oven, transfer them to a cooling rack. 33 cookies. It's time to try it.
I got a cookie. Oh, I got a cookie. The best way to serve with it is hot chocolate. Of course, my mom's chocolate milk. Yummy.
Because the jam was boiling in the heat, it gave it kind of like, it made it very warm, butter and chewy, along with the crust, which was like golden brown. It was so buttery and sweet.
I love it.
Make it at home. It's so easy and yummy.
And you can share with anyone. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. That's capella.
Mm-hmm.